In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags let you slice your data by things like department, location, project, or any custom dimension you care about, so your reports tell a clearer story. Before you start, have a short list of tag names and option values in mind, and keep the naming simple and consistent. From your Zoho Books dashboard, head to Settings. In the Settings area, open Reporting Tags. This is where you'll create and manage the labels that help you categorize transactions and contacts. Create a new tag by choosing New Reporting Tag. Give your tag a clear, concise name, something your whole team will immediately understand, like department or region. Consistent names make searching and reporting much easier down the line. Next, decide where this tag should be available. Under Associate, this reporting tag 2, choose the modules where you want the tag to appear. Select Sales so you can tag invoices and credit notes, purchases for bills and expenses, journals for manual entries, customers to store a default tag on a customer record, and vendors for the same on vendor records. Selecting these ensures the tag is available everywhere you need it. Choose at transaction level to make the tag selectable on each individual document. This gives you the most granular control because every invoice, bill, or journal can carry the right label, even when a customer spans multiple departments or regions. Click Save and continue to move on to your tag options. Add the option name you want to use. These are the specific values your team will pick later, such as East, West, or Online. Keep options mutually exclusive and short, so users don't have to guess which one applies. Save the option and repeat as needed until you've added the choices you plan to use first. When you're satisfied, mark the tag as ready. This publishes the tag so it can be used across the modules you selected. Close Settings to return to your main screen. Now let's see where you'll find it on a customer. Go to Sales, then open Customers. Pick a customer from the list, click Edit, and open the Reporting Tag section. You'll see your new tag available here, ready to reference on this customer record whenever needed. That's it. You've created a reporting tag, defined its options, decided where it applies, and located it on a customer. With this setup, your future transactions can be consistently labeled, making filters and reports far more insightful.